Welcome to TBK Career Point. In the previous class we have discussed about the create command and how to create the table and insert command. We can so if anybody having doubt, we can go to the previous videos and you can refer them for the better understanding. So now we are going to focusing on the delete command. So delete command, it is used to delete some records. For example, this is a table. So I hope you all are having the idea in your mind how the data will be there on your table. So student ID and student name, student location. Just for example, we are taking this name of the columns. So we can take, so depends on the database design, depends on the data, we can take the number of the columns, and the data types and the number of records into the table, right? So for example, in the previous class, as we discussed, we have inserted some records 1A and Hyderabad. So this is record, some record, one record, and this is another record, and we may have some other records, Secunderabad, some Guntur, right? So these are three records are available on the database or the table. So in this table, if I want to delete any record, any one record or all records, right? So then how to delete by using a scale, now we are going to discussing about them. So for that we have two type of syntaxes. So let us concentrate the syntaxes. Delete from table name of the table we have to give, delete from table name where, for example, specifically wanted to delete by mentioning the student name or by specifying the location or by specifying the ID. So by quoting or by giving any one column, so I wanted to delete from the table those the student is from or she is from the location called Hyderabad. So then how to delete it is, so by using the specific command, specific query, delete from table name where. So for that we need to take column name equal to value. So whatever value we wanted to give, so that value we have to mention. So this is the first way. The second way we can take delete. So if you want to delete all the rows, what are the records are available here. So if you want to delete all the records, so then we can go for other command, other query. So that is, so this is the syntax for deleting all rows at once. Delete from table name, that's it. So we are not going to mention this class where I wanted to delete. So specific I am not mentioning. So delete from table name. So all rows will be deleted. Okay. So this is about the syntax. So we can work with an example, then we will get a better understanding. For example we are taking. So now I am delete from table name is, we are familiar, student where. So this is where is the class, and in this query from is one class, and this is delete is command, and this is called command, so which is called DML command, and this is from class. So we are using in the query to connect to write the queries. These all are required as a grammatical part, and this is the name of the table name where, and this is also again class from where. So we need to mention the, as per our syntax, we need to specify the location. Yes, location equal to. So this is the type of varchar. It is a data type we need to identify. If it is a varchar, we need to mention it is in the single quotation. Now So this is the syntax or the query to delete the specific row. So after writing this query, so we can execute it on the editor. So then one row is deleted, right? So after deleting this row, if you want to see that effect, after that you need to type select star from student. If you type this, we can able to get the table like this. Result after deleting SID, SName, SLocation. So this is deleted. So because already we have written the query to delete this particular record. So now the available are 2B Secunderabad and 3C Guntur. So this is the how we are going to working on the deleting the row by row, record by record. So if you want to delete the record by specifying the location, yes location, we can type here instead of Hyderabad, we need to write Secunderabad. And if you want to see in the same way, for example in this table, so the number of records are available with the location Secunderabad. If 5 records are there or 10 records are there, all 10 records are going to be deleted. And for example in other case, so if you want to delete the record by specifying the student name, so here we are going to modifying that student name equal to B. So we will see that. Just we are going to changing here S name equal to B. So this is also varchar. So that's why we need to mention, and we can also delete. After deleting this, so the prompting will become one row deleted, and if you want to see the remaining records, select star from student. So after if you type this, then the table will be displayed with only one record. So because this is already deleted by specifying the student name, so the available record is only one with the table, right? So this is how we are going to working on it. We need to do as a practice purpose. We have to, when you are working with the editor, we need to do more number of queries. We need to write more number of queries, then we will get the clarity. So simply one or two examples, it is difficult. So we need to practice more. If you practice more, you will get more. So the second case, as I told, this second syntax is so already in this 3 records are available. In that case, if you want to delete from student, this is the name of the table. So if you use this query, so then what happens, all rows will be deleted. So that nothing but if you want to see the change, or if you want to see, or if you want to verify that, select star from student. So then you are going to getting that no rows are there, no rows, select no rows in the table, because all rows are deleted, right? So then the it is displaying that no rows are going to be available in the existing table, which is called student. So this is how we are going to working with the delete command. This is the main purpose. So once you if you create tables, specifically wanted to delete the column wise or all rows, so we can able to delete all the rows, right? So this is about complete information regarding the delete command. So we will go for the next command in the next video. That's all for now. Thank you.